Beyond basic compliance, your new private limited company may qualify for special startup status. DPIIT Startup Registration provides official government recognition and unlocks a range of exclusive benefits designed specifically for innovative young businesses. What is DPIIT Startup Registration? DPIIT Startup Registration is an official recognition granted by the Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade. This certification formally acknowledges your company as an eligible startup within the government ecosystem, providing access to special incentives under the Startup India initiative. Eligibility criteria. To qualify for DPIIT recognition, your private limited company must be incorporated for less than 10 years, have annual turnover not exceeding 100 crore rupees in any financial year, be working towards innovation, development, or improvement of products, processes, services, have the potential for employment generation or wealth creation, not be formed by splitting or reconstructing an existing business. Key benefits. DPIIT recognized startups enjoy substantial advantages, potential for income tax exemption for 3 consecutive years, easier access to government funding schemes, 80% reduction in patent filing fees, fast-track patent examination, self-certification under labor and environmental laws, exemption from the prior experience requirement in government tenders, access to the Startup India Hub networking platform, eligibility for specialized accelerator and incubator programs. When to apply? You can apply for DPIIT registration anytime after incorporating your company, provided you meet the eligibility criteria. Many startups apply as soon as possible to maximize the benefits throughout their early growth stages. Application process. The application process is entirely online through the Startup India portal, registration on the Startup India website, completion of the online application form, submission of required documentation, declaration of compliance with eligibility criteria, review by DPIIT officials, digital certificate issuance upon approval. Documentation required. To complete your application, you'll need Certificate of Incorporation, Director details with identification proof, brief description of your innovative business idea, proof of concept or patent details, if applicable, recommendation letter from an incubator, optional but helpful, self-declaration of eligibility compliance. How Setindiabiz can help? Our DPIIT registration service includes evaluation of your startup's eligibility, preparation of a compelling business description, complete application assistance, document compilation and submission, follow-up with DPIIT for any clarifications, guidance on maximizing startup benefits post-registration. Give your startup the recognition and advantages it deserves. Contact Setindiabiz today to secure your DPIIT startup registration and unlock the full potential of your innovative business.